What's up? Wait, sorry. I just forget to joke. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dapper Dan Farmer speaking, and blow show no time now. July 4th. So, coupe them empty see way. It's a coupe empty as it. I don't know if rain go fall when me up on the road, so I drop my name bag. You know that's not rain blowing on him. So, as you can see, me I go Kingston go pick up a package. Probably meet up with somebody will raise bird. You understand? So, another package, I'm go see what happens when I reach back a yard. If I reach back before the day, you see me? So, just remember, like, share, subscribe to my post notification bell, and you can't not tell me say you don't not get no video. So I get a call, so you may say me catching up on the road here. Cool. So bad bro, bring up here Modena come and inside link up here, you know. We are going
inside. See me? One rush shot, money up.
Yeah bro, we are going to Cynthia now, you see me? So stay tuned. Go by YouTube, watch the video, you see me? One Dapper Dan Farmer, we out. So we just reach and I feed the baby them. If you not see them good, if I put them on the inside, I can't really put them out of the door, I don't want to undo them, so I just reach front town. Just reach back front town, I said. Hectic across seat, me get come back to nice center bus. Hectic which I blow the box and sitting. But you know we make it happen because a Dapper Dan Farmer, new animal always, and you know. So see them. Can go to do now, go show now what to do. That's it. You never know see them good in a camera at night. So tomorrow morning now get a better look on them. Better look. Give them look of feed them. Just come and give them feed and water. Alright. So from up at top now. You never know see them. You see why it's Jacobin pair when me get. You see one Jacobin pair when me get. This our we don't never see them good on this is frillback pair, and then that I Modena pair. Our baby the right at the foot right, so you see me? So that's how we go at it. So that's how you look. Man, I'm mad up the place already. So we say just like, share, subscribe to the post notification bell, and tomorrow we give you a better look on the bird, you see me? A better look. You see me? We don't know if I see them good, you know, we don't see them, but nobody are going to make be nice. So, if this is what they want, open some more and put tea still in. Then see if we can get some water and some feed, because you know, the long traveling. Yeah man, morning feed up and sitting. So my side, not even know if you know to see me or what. You see me yet? Yeah man, I eat. So those tomorrow morning me show you animal them better. I promise you now. Yeah, my side, see them, eh? Bring them come out the door. Come back and go on easy. So, anybody in the comments know what breed that duck this? Bring it up close, you can see. Comment. ASAP, just comment. Yeah, my side, and then me have. Alright, people must just come. Alright. So, if you're porter, see porter meal there. No, about the porter. Modena. And then if you're a Jacobin. See them way and then if you're a Frillback. No if you see them. Wait. Love my dog them. Worrying about them. And then this one baby bunny Modena too. Look one day. Yeah, my side, so just like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and also get update on them, you see me? Did one then come out in the light, if they out the sun, you could see them better. Look how they don't take feed in the water in one little night. Them are people that now put on cardboard up at top now. And it's a boy I can Lego. Back. I know I'm come out when you're ready and going ready. I testing them this morning. I see if they're fertile, if they're not fertile, I'm going to see them move out of this akubia. Going to this akubia, don't say, you see me? But join exotic herd, you see me? Alright, my side. So remember me asking, please just like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. And Dapper Dan Farm. Once again, we out.